The skill I need to practice the most is probably forge welding, so I decided to do so by making some chain links. I'll be doing a voiceover throughout the process so you can kind of follow along. Once I've got my fire going, we can get started. So I'm using 5/16 inch round here, and I'll be cutting about 6 inches off here to start. Next, I'll use the horn of the anvil to make a simple U shape out of it. It's important to try to get those two ends to match up. So my first attempt involves doing a scarf which is perpendicular to the edge of the anvil, so it makes a straight shoulder, just as kind of an experiment. I do have my doubts though that this is going to work. So you can see that after making those two scarves and after trying to get them to fit, there is a notable gap between the two pieces, and they don't really interlock properly. So you can see that initially it did actually stick together, but later as I was trying to refine it, which by the way probably should have been done at a higher temperature, but you can see as I was doing that, once it breaks, you can see the little flaw in there. There's a little space, and that's not supposed to be there. So for this next attempt, I made the scarf differently. I basically just held it at an angle instead of 90 degrees to the anvil. And I also kind of rotated it a little bit to try to get that inside corner drawn out slightly. So that way after I put those two pieces together, it did fit a lot better. So here we go. For the second attempt, you can see that it stuck together, and on the next couple of heats, it stayed together as I refined it. So that's a success. You can see here there are various failures and the success there on the left. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully it was kind of entertaining or I guess educational or whatever. I'll be back with more videos soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.